Turning on your mobile hotspot on your Galaxy phone allows you to share your phone's internet connection with other devices, such as laptops, tablets, and other smartphones. Here's how you do it. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. On the next screen, tap Connections. Then select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot so you can configure it. Tap Configure and change the network name and the password. You can also change the band to use 5 GHz so the connection is fast, although this depends on how fast your mobile data connection is. Once finished, tap Save. Then, tap on the switch at the top right corner to turn on Mobile Hotspot. You can now share your connection with other devices nearby. Just give them the password and they should be able to connect. To turn it off, just follow the same steps and then tap the switch to the off position. Or you can just leave the mobile hotspot unused and it will be turned off automatically. And that's how you turn on and turn off hotspot on your Galaxy device. We hope this tutorial can help you. Thanks for watching.